In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my cabbage sauce. Here are my ingredients.
Wow! What is this?
That is blended chili pepper. That's green pepper bell. That is boiled chicken breast. That's oil. That's spring onion.
What is this and this?
This is carrot and this is cabbage. This is my saucepan. Then I bring the oil. Put your oil. You add your onion. Then you add your chili pepper. Now you add your chicken breast. You add your seasoning. And stir it. Now you add your carrots. And stir it. You don't have to wait, everything has to go at once. So now you add your cabbage. And you stir it. Now your green pepper. Now your spring onion. Our spring onion and green pepper last is because we want the fresh green look. Don't I said don't show me now.
You don't have to do it that.
It's hot. Okay, now you can show. Now it's ready. It can be served with boiled rice, boiled yam, with bread and as a side.